How to celebrate Eid ul-Adha. Start the day by attending the Eid prayer at a mosque or an outdoor prayer ground, where the sermon, khutbah, focuses on themes of sacrifice, gratitude, and community. Many Muslims perform Qurbani, the sacrifice of an animal, usually a sheep, goat, cow, or camel, in commemoration of Prophet Ibrahim's willingness to sacrifice his son as an act of obedience to God. The meat from the sacrificed animal is typically divided into 3 parts: one for yourself and family, one for relatives and friends, and one for those in need. Eid ul-Adha is a time for family gatherings and communal meals. Invite friends and family to share in the joyous occasion and the meat from the sacrifice. Giving to those less fortunate is an essential part of Eid ul-Adha. Make donations to charitable organizations or directly to those in need to ensure everyone can enjoy the festivities. Prepare special dishes and meals, those made from the sacrificial meat, to share with loved ones and neighbors. Wear new or clean clothes to mark the occasion and show respect for the festival. Exchange greetings and good wishes with family and friends, both in person and through messages or calls. Take time to reflect on the lessons of sacrifice, obedience, and gratitude taught by the story of Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail. Spread happiness and positivity in your community by visiting neighbors, especially those who may be alone or in need of company. Celebrating Eid ul-Adha is a time of spiritual renewal, communal bonding, and sharing blessings with others.